Greetings, GeoCOMPASS explorers. This is Dr. Jock, and I'm here to tell you about a revolution in the Cayo District, Belize. The new Caracol Road now connects Cristo Rey, San Antonio, and El Progreso, opening opportunities for water accessibility, sanitation, and hygiene for 2,300 rural residents. Aquafresca H2Osmosis Project is a modular zero-grid reverse osmosis plant powered by solar, hydro, wind, and people. It can deliver up to 10,000 liters of clean water daily for Monkey Falls Creek at just $1.50 per 5 gallons or 18.9 liters, half the national average of $3. The OCELOT RangerCOMM volunteers and local communities will ensure access with 25% subsidized for villagers facing extreme economic hardships. This project is a win-win for human and environmental well-being, providing safe drinking water for project beneficiaries while fueling decentralized sustainable development and community reinvestment. The revenue surplus funds education and micro-enterprises, with plans to scale this model to serve 10,000 people across Central America and CARICOM by 2035. Together, let's water the seeds of life. Aquafresca H2Osmosis, decentralized community, cultivation, conservation, and construction in action.